This is the video guide dedicated to help you remove the unwanted software. Actually, that is a malicious type of software called ransomware, and this ransomware is called Qeza. This is the ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. The ransomware is called like that because it appends this Qeza extension to the file names. My video though is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I'll give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I'll help you to recover the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Qeza ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. Very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware appends this Qeza extension. Removing the extension manually still doesn't fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. Well, I recommend you to urgently remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the program, and then start researching the computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So click on the Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats which were found on the system. Based on that summary, some threats can be removed manually, but I would recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium, and you can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Remember that Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files. There is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt files either. But Combo Cleaner works very well when it comes to identifying this ransomware and deleting this particular ransomware. Furthermore, with premium license of Combo Cleaner, you will be able to always protect your data from further ransomware attacks. Now, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.